Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. So in this video, I'm going to explain you the model paper. So throughout AP, you are going to write FA2 exams on 17th December. So here is the model paper. In this model paper, you can clearly observe the first section. You will have 5 choices. So 5 out of 5 you must attempt, no choice because of it is completely chooses. So each question carries 1 mark. So 5 ones are 5, and you can check what are the questions are there here, right? And the next section is second section, fill in the blanks. So these all are belongs to bits. Fill in the blanks with a suitable answer. So here also we will have a 5 questions, that is question number 6 to 10. Total here also 5 ones are 5 marks. So previous section 5 marks and here 5 marks, total 10 marks are completed here. So next third section you can see on my screen. So answer the following question. These are the 2 mark questions, and here also there is no choice for you. So 3 questions will give there. 3 out of 3 you must attempt, and just you can go through that the questions just for model, what the models are given. So 3 problems are given from 3 chapters, because you know what is the syllabus: polynomials, probability, and statistics. So polynomial, from the polynomial they given question number 11, and question number 12 from the statistics, and question number 13 from probability. And the last section is 4 mark questions. Answer any one question. So here you have an internal choice. So generally 4 mark questions will have internal choice, that is 14 and 15. Any one you must attempt here. So 14th question given from uh, polynomial, so that is a graph, and the 15th question from the statistics. So maybe my expectation also for 4 mark questions out of 3 chapters, they will ask you 1 question from the statistics and 1 question from the polynomial. So what we observe in this whole paper, there are the more important for bits. So 50% will 50% of the questions are asking from the bits, and the remaining 50 questions for 2 marks and 4 mark questions. So focus more on 1 mark question, that means bits, to answer well. And in my channel also you can check in the playlist, you can find out that super 30 bits from polynomial as well as from the statistics. That means the most important bits are given here. So please check it in the playlist, and I hope these bits will help you to solve bits in the tomorrow exam. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Thank you.